Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see a end-to-end Microsoft Power Platform project that includes Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate and Dataverse. We are creating a sales leads tracking application, okay, end to end. In this project, I also design a solution architect for this project. Okay, how much estimate it will take. Okay, what are the requirements of the client? So let's we go and see that. So let's I go to the Viva drawing. Okay, I hope you can able to see the design. Okay, so here client share us the requirement. Okay, we are a company operating shop in multiple states and cities across the United States, selling a range of products. Our current challenge is managing sales data and generating insights to track and analyze performance efficiently. To address this, we are looking to build a solution using Microsoft Power Platform that integrates data tracking and reporting. So this is problem statement we have. Okay. To overcome this solution, we have planned. We build the one Power Apps and Power BI. Okay. In the sales lead tracking application, Power BI based application to capture, manage sales data at a granular level. This application should allow employees across different shops to log, track sales leads, also add or update sales data including customer and product information, view sales performance specific to their location. Okay, so these requirements client share with us. Okay, and he needs the model driven application. This is also their specific need. Okay, we not speech are okay, they need which type of application, canvas or model driven, so they clear with their solution. So they need model driven app, and to visualize this they want a Power BI dashboard to analyze and visualize sales data. The report should include total sales, profit, discount metrics, regional performance by state, city, shop, and product category, subcategory analysis, key performance indicators such as KPIs or other things as the profit margin, sales trend, and customer segmentation in Power BI. These things they needed. Okay, so let's we go to the solution. Um, Also, first and most important is to design the model-driven application. We need the database designing in the Dataverse. Okay, so client shares a data already. Data model is built, and client sharing data in Excel file with more than 2000 of records. So our one stack is already done. Okay, data model is ready, and they also know what data they need to track in this case. Okay, only catch is here. We have one Excel file with more than 20K records that we need to pull into an Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem. Okay, so solution is to do that. We create a data flow to import all data into Microsoft Dataverse. Okay, we will see this practically in our upcoming videos. Okay, we also create end-to-end solution for this. Okay, by creating solution or other thing. Okay, second requirement is designing model driven app. Okay, in this they are having two roles only, one is director and one is employee. Okay, so director means that owner is able to see the all shops details. Okay, on which location they have how much sales. Okay, which sales, so he can try. Okay, and employee can able to see the specific only their own shop details, not the other ones. Okay, so we will create here hierarchy level security. Okay, we will see this in the upcoming videos as well. Okay, so after that we have also we will create, okay, some forms, views. Okay, views. Okay, apply roles base access to app. Okay, we will create different security roles, create business process and flows, and other things we will see here. Okay, we also create business process flow in our application. Okay, Then the last step is creating Power BI report with the live dataverse data. This is one of the thing, okay, we will do. First, what we'll do, we'll create a Power BI report in the Power BI desktop and publish that into Power BI service, and using schedule refresh to refresh our data in the data house. Okay, so this we will create. Okay, here are some more steps, like small things are present. Okay, like sending an email notification to the employee as well as the product owner. Okay, so this thing I just minimize this. Okay, so you can understand all the things. Okay, I trying to make this video as for beginners friendly, so everyone can understand this project and try to implement in the first time. Okay, so that this is my primary goal. Okay, so let's we build and create our Power Apps. Okay, so this is our first video. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. And also, we are making lots of changes, okay, in this requirement. Okay, this is a starting requirement we have. As we go, progress, work on this report, as we speak with the client. Okay, this requirement might be changed. Okay, so let's do create. Okay, you just follow me and subscribe my channel, so every day I try to share the insight of this project with you. Thank you, friends.